Hey friendly faces, let's decorate some classic ice cream swirl cupcakes together. I used the Nozzle 826, Alteco 826 for this. So as you can see, it's got a lot of star spikes in front there. A little bit more than you get with the Wilton 1M or the Alteco 1M. Right here, I'm opening my bag like we are used to, dropping that nozzle right in there, just measuring a little bit to see where we can snip off the top or the front of that piping bag. Snip, snip. And then pressing out the nozzle to see that all of our spikes there is open. Because if it's not, you're not going to get the right effect. Okay, opening up our piping bag, giving it a little bit of a weld there so we can drop our frosting right in the middle. I used white margarine with this to get, you get white butter as well, or you can add a little bit of violet coloring to your butter cream when making it to get it as white as I wanted this one to be. Twist the back of your piping bag, let the piping bag just drop into your hand, keep it steady and swirl, swirl, swirl until you get that perfect ice cream swirl. It's quite a classic one. And of course, with the classic cupcakes come the classic decor. This person loves hundreds and thousands. So this is what I'm decorating it with. I am adding a lot of sprinkles right on top, just to give it that pretty ice cream swirl look. And because our frosting is so beautifully white, those little hundreds and thousands color sprinkles will stand out beautifully. And of course, I like to add glitter. Ooh, a little spillage there. Never mind. We just add a bunch of glitter right onto our cupcakes. I like it. For some reason, I just like the way the glitter looks on cupcakes. It just rounds it off for me. So that is it. You have perfectly ice cream swirled cupcakes. Classic way to decorate the cupcakes for clients. And just to make it special, I have my little card to paste right on front. And there you go. Ready for delivery.